Why 95% of Facebook ads fail? Over the past 5 years, working with hundreds of companies and launching thousands of Facebook campaigns, I can confidently tell you that most businesses running Facebook ads are not seeing results at all. Now, this will be an important video for you if your business is running Facebook ads and you're not getting the results that you want. So why do Facebook ads not work? Why do so many businesses running Facebook ads not see the results that they want? It really comes down to their offer. You see, most businesses focus a lot of their time researching on their target audience, coming up with nice visuals, videos, creative for their campaigns, but they do not have a great offer. To have a successful and profitable Facebook ads, it all starts with a great offer. Or if your offer is not better than 95% of your competitors, then your artwork, your research into your target audience, and your Facebook campaigns won't generate the results that you want. So what is an offer? An offer is the way you frame your business and services to entice your customers to get in touch with your business. When I'm talking about offer, I'm not just talking about price discount. Why is it important to have a great offer? Now think about this. Without a great offer, your business will not stand out. And if your business does not stand out, your ability to capture customers get reduced. And if you're capturing less customers, ultimately you have less sales. And if you have less sales, you have less profit. Sooner or later, you no longer have a business to run. The goal is to make an offer so great that people feel stupid to not take it up at all. So how do you create a great offer? Here's 7 ways that you can increase, improve, and come up with a great, irresistible offer for your customers. The first way, ultimately, will be to have a better product, a better quality job, better ability to demonstrate results, better way for your customers to benefit from your products compared to your competitors. Now, let me give you an example. If you are a weight management coach, your customers can get to their ideal weight within 28 days. As compared to the rest of the weight management coach that takes about 90 days, clearly shows that your product is so superior and you have a better product. And importantly, if you can demonstrate this in your advertising, it will greatly help increase your offer. The second way, better price. Can you offer a better price point compared to your competitors? Now, most businesses are always against discounting, but there's a way to strategically discount your product for the benefit of your business. So for example, if you can strategically, out of 5 signature products that you have, strategically lower the pricing of 1 or 2 of your signature products with one purpose, to entice a new group of customers come into your business and to spend. If you do that, firstly, you acquire a huge group of customers. Secondly, if along the way that they are in your business and you get to demonstrate a good customer service and they really love your product, along the way, because of this strategic discounting or better pricing that you're offering on your 1 or 2 signature products, you get to upsell to a new group of customers and market to them over a long period of time. The ability to demonstrate faster delivery and installation services. Can you deliver your goods and services faster than your competitors? An example, Amazon Prime, or e-commerce brands that's offering same-day delivery. I mean, the ability to speed up your delivery and decrease your handover lead time will dramatically increase your offer standing in the eyes of consumers as well. The fourth way, after-sales service, ongoing support. Now, instead of selling your maintenance package after your customers buy your product, why not just bundle this into your offer? An example, if a customer were to buy your services or your product, why not just provide a 12-month, 24-month maintenance coverage or after-sales support coverage? This again greatly enhances your offer. What you can do is, after someone sign up with your program, let's say for a 1-year subscription, why not give them lifetime access to a Facebook group, they have access to a community and to you as well. And customers can clearly understand that they will not be ditched after buying your product. The fifth way, better financing plans. Tying great flexible payment plans for customers can greatly enhance your offer. An example, buy now and pay later, or splitting payment plans into 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, or over a year without interest at all. Now, offering a flexible payment plan can help customers greatly increase their ability to afford your products and in turn increase your sales. Point 6, better product bundling. Product bundling is another great way to enhance your offer. First, your customers get to buy everything that they need without having the need to travel to multiple different places to get all the different products together. That's one, it reduces their headache. Secondly, this also increases your average order sales as well. Product bundling is a tried and tested strategy. An example, 103 Studios as a marketing agency. We do not only help clients with their paid advertising campaigns, we help them with their content creation, graphical works, branding, all in one place. Point 7, better branding and design. Now, when 2 brands or 2 businesses come head to head with similar offer, similar pricing, ultimately you know the consumers will choose the businesses that have a better branding and design. Think Apple with great product design, or Giant's new branding and design that attracted a huge resurgence of customers that comes to them. Having a better branding and design ultimately helps you enhance your offer, your overall offering as well. So here's the 7th solution, which will greatly increase your offer, which in turn helps you increase your Facebook ads results, and in turn help you win. If your current marketing strategy is not getting the results that you want, feel free to reach out to 1103 Studios on Facebook and Instagram, or leave a comment right below and we will do our best to get to it. Thank you again.